Hey, welcome to How's It channel. We continue our course called How to Go from 32-bit to 64-bit in Windows 10. It will have 5 video tutorials with detailed instructions. Today's video is the third lesson, and we will show you how to install Windows 10 using the USB flash drive. You can check the very first video of the course to learn how to create a bootable flash drive. In today's tutorial, we are going to go from 32-bit to 64-bit system. Go to the left bottom corner of your desktop and click on Windows icon. The Start menu will pop up. Click on Power icon and restart your computer. Press F2 the second your computer is on. It can also be Delete or Escape key. It will log you into BIOS. Go to Boot tab using arrows on your keyboard. Go to Boot Options Priorities. Move the flash drive to the top of the list. Press Enter and choose the drive. Press F10 on your keyboard and confirm your actions. Press any key to boot from CD or DVD when you see it on your screen to run the installation process. Set up language to install, time, and input language. Click Next. Click Install Now. Put the activation key and click on Next. If you don't have a key, click on I don't have a product key. Choose the system and click Next. You will see a license agreement. Check I accept the license term. Click Next. The most important part. Choose Custom. Install Windows Only Advanced. Choose the disk you want to use. Click Format and OK. Click Next. The installation process will begin. Now you can relax and wait. Your computer will restart a few times. When the installation process is almost over, you will see a welcome screen from Cortana. Let's prepare the system for use. Choose the region. Click Yes. Choose the keyboard layout. Click Yes. You can add second keyboard layout or skip it. You can choose how you want to set up, personal or organization use. Click Next. Sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have it, create one. Or you can click on Offline Account. Put your email. Click Next. Enter the password and click Next. You can set up a PIN or do this later. You also have an option to link your phone and PC. You can manage OneDrive or do it later. You can make Cortana your personal assistant. Click Yes or No. Choose privacy settings for your device. We recommend you pay attention to this step. You can either keep them all on or turn it off. You can also choose which one you want to keep and which one you want to shut down. Click Accept. It will finish setting up. Might take some time depending on the specifications of your PC. That's it. Enjoy your renewed system. Stay tuned for the next part. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.